Hi there, today we will learn how we can embed our Fusion 360 drawing file into our blog or into any other website. What does it mean embedding our Fusion 360 design file into a website? You can see in this page Fusion 360 drawing is embedded inside this website or inside this blog, whereby any user can rotate, can play around with the design files. And if the user allows this file to be downloaded, we can also do so. Okay, so how can we do that? Firstly, we open the Fusion 360 drawing file that we want to embed into our blog. Let's say this is the design file, so there is a laptop stand. So in this page, you can click File and then select View Details on Web. Once you click View Details on Web, the web browser will bring you to the Fusion 360 website. Inside this Fusion 360 website, you'll be able to see your laptop stand or your own design file. Okay, once you are here, you select View. Okay, so this is what we want to show. This is what we want to embed into the blog or into any other website. Okay, and then you click Share. Okay, and then when you click Share, select Embed. Okay, you can also here the privacy setting, please select so that any viewers can download the file into their computer. Okay, select Embed. Okay, and then you can select the size to embed, 640 times 480 or 800 by 600. Let's say I want to select 800 by 600. Okay, so the HTML code for this will be generated in this box. So we copy this HTML, copy. Now we can go to our blog. Okay, so let's say this is the blog that I want to embed with the Fusion drawing. Now I can go to my blogger. Okay, and then I select the correct blog URL, and then I go to the page. Okay, this is the page where this is the home page, so I want to embed it into the home page. Okay, let's say I want to put it as the last part. Okay, the last part of the page. Okay, so how do we do it? Firstly, we need to change from compose view into HTML view, because just now we copy and paste the HTML code. So we change into HTML view, then we will see this very alien language, but no need to worry. Okay, so now you just bring your cursor into the end of this HTML code section, and then you paste the HTML code to embed the file that you copy from the Fusion website. Okay, once you are done, click update, so it will be saved, and then you can return back to compose view. Okay, once you have click update, you can check. Okay, how here I haven't refreshed the blog, so we cannot see the Fusion file here, but once I refresh, then you will see the Fusion file is embedded. Okay, so now any viewer can play around with the Fusion drawing that I have added inside. So that's how we can embed our Fusion 360 drawing into our own blog or into any other website. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.